Welcome to our quick guide on why simple modern website design is the right choice for you. In today's digital world, good website design is more important than ever before. Let's dive into the 5 key reasons why you should opt for a simple modern website design. First and foremost, simple modern website design enhances user experience. It streamlines navigation, boosts engagement, and curbs bounce rates. A pleasant user experience translates to more time spent on your site and higher conversion rates. The second reason to choose simple modern website design is its mobile compatibility. With ever-growing mobile users, it's essential for your site to look good on all devices. A mobile-friendly website not only reaches a larger audience but also ranks higher in search engine results. Thirdly, simple modern website designs load faster. Excessive elements bog down a site, but simplicity boosts speed. Remember, a fast-loading website is crucial to retaining your visitors' attention and reducing bounce rate. Fourth on our list is the fact that simple modern website designs are SEO friendly. Their clean code is easily indexed, boosting search engine rankings. An SEO-friendly design means more visibility and more organic traffic. Last but not least, simple modern website designs are easier to maintain. Complex designs invite errors. Simple ones streamline updates and troubleshooting. An easy-to-maintain website means less downtime and more time focusing on what truly matters: your business. In summary, simple modern website designs offer numerous benefits. They enhance user experience, ensure mobile compatibility, fast loading, SEO friendliness, and easy maintenance. So when it comes to website design, keep it simple, keep it modern. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and guides.